welcome to Carpool Drive-Thru. This is basically where me and my friends eat food during our carpools, either to work or coming home from work. Now, this first video is going to be a little bit choppy because it's just us testing out the camera and seeing how everything works. And plus, I ran out of memory on the phone. So it's going to be all over the place. So just sit back, enjoy the ride, have a couple of laughs. I don't know how much time I have. Oh, we have 20 minutes. 20 minutes for what? Did I run out of memory?
Oh, I was like, our meeting's at 12?
Yeah.
What? I was like so confused right now. I was like, oh my god. Are you okay?
So I think we killed messed up slowly but surely.
You know, like yesterday where he just looked dead back here.
This
Do
is
you
gonna,
have naked?
Oh my god. No.
this,
I'm
this is
like,
gonna be part of the tribute for Ernesto.
oh my god,
He died as he lived,
Breathe.
drinking Gatorade and fucking up my car. Are we gonna get sued for slander?
Why?
I don't know. Because I plan to slander.
Well, no, because you're voicing your opinion. You're not stating facts, and that's the difference.
I mean, my opinions are facts, so
No, that's not how it
Yeah,
is.
my opinion.
if something's good, it's good, and something's
Someone
bad,
has
it's bad.
some high self-esteem.
I know.
Must be nice with you.
Yep. Whoever that is.
High self-esteem while he cries in the corner.
Aw.
First off, rating KFC. It's gonna go down 3 points, so the maximum it could get is 10. I mean 7.
Why is it going down 3 points?
Because they don't have the pot pie.
But nobody likes the pot pie.
Everybody loves the pot pie.
If everybody loved the pot pie, they would have the pot pie around all year.
No, they're doing the whole seasonal thing, so that there's more. It's kind of like the McRibs, right?
I don't like the McRibs.
Because a lot of people, regular people.
I don't like
love-
McRibs.
Well, you're not.
Well, because being normal is boring.
He's
I really
above
do.
average.
Every day, same people love the McRib and love the pot pie.
No, for what my mother told me,
Oh my god.
my mama said.
Well, did you guys figure out where you are?
Yeah, I'm like, I want the.
You want to try something different or get the
Hi,
same?
welcome to my KFC. You can order whenever you're
I
ready.
want that 3 tender combo. You see it right there, number 9?
Hi, how can I help you today?
Straight.
You're like poking him in the.
You see it?
Can I get the number 9?
The 3 tender
Can
combo.
you repeat that, please?
The number 9, the 3 tender combo?
And for your drink?
I do have tea. I need raspberry tea.
Raspberry tea?
Anything else for you today?
Famous bowl.
Can I get the famous bowl?
Wait, for your 3 tenders, what was your drink again?
Is there? Do you guys have iced tea? Raspberry iced tea?
Oh, yeah, we have raspberry.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, that one.
And a famous one, number 16.
Yes.
Yes, please.
And for your drink?
Lemonade.
Lemonade, please.
Anything else for you today?
Yeah. Can I get the
I like how he was like questioning if we were ready to order.
the big box?
The number 12?
No, the big box meal. Oh wait, sorry. Number 6.
In original or crispy?
Original, please.
And for your drink?
Lemonade.
Anything else for you today?
Can I replace the coleslaw with macaroni and cheese?
Yes. Anything else for you today?
That'll be everything.
So you have a 3 tenders combo, a famous bowl, and a big box.
Yes.
Your total is $22.16. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm
Yeah.
so disappointed.
She answered her question. She's like, yes.
I know.
I don't know why she's mad at me. I don't know why they're all mad at me.
It's just you. It's just you.
I am the best person to order things.
Like, ever since, I don't know what you did to piss off the drive-thru people, but ever since yesterday, they have been giving you attitude.
I feel like they have your car, like, in there. Like, they sent a picture around.
All the fast food choices in the neighborhood.
Like, if this person shows up.
And I like how, like, you're like, oh, are you guys ready to order? Are you guys ready to order? And then, like, you,
Oh, it's because what I thought was there was not there.
What, the pot pie?
I confused you. Yeah, the fucking pot pie.
He's hoping. He's like, maybe this one, maybe
Alright, so we're gonna pretend that we haven't been to KFC within the last 2 days.
We haven't. We had it last week.
And then
On a Tuesday.
we had it twice, I think.
No, we had it once.
Are you sure?
We've had Taco Bell like 5 times.
Yeah, like,
Welcome to the first video of Taco Bell.
KFC.
It smells like KFC.
I feel like they haven't improved on their recipe. Or maybe that other KFC I went to was just a bad KFC.
Which KFC?
The one on Mount Vernon.
The one on Mount Vernon was good.
No, not the last one, but I remember having KFC like last year sometime, and their chicken was just oily. And this one tastes pretty good.
Wait, you remember that, but you can't remember your left from your right?
Yeah. Their fries are pretty good.
They have fries?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you got the price?
I forgot it came from the fries.
I forgot that they recently had a price made. Oh, good to
Oh,
know.
they are good. Mm-hmm. I got the smash version. Pretty good. Is it smashed or mashed?
Mash.
Okay. I love
That's
smashed
why it's called.
potatoes.
That's why it's called mashed potatoes.
Well, is there anything else you mash, or you only mash potatoes?
You can mash. You can mash tomato.
You can mash tomato.
But here it's called pinto.
I'll look into that. I'm not sure. I don't trust you, Nick. I think I should have started with that.
Clear that fries are potatoes.
That's one thing I can say. These fries definitely taste like potatoes.
I think that's a good start. I think that's where all fries should start. If it doesn't start tasting like potatoes at any point in time.
Well, that was like last time we went to Sonic and you're like, this mozzarella stick tastes like potatoes.
Or like, oh, this ice cream tastes weird.
This ice cream tastes chunky.